So, you've been enjoying your gaming sessions on your PC with your DualSense controller, but suddenly you're faced with a frustrating issue. It keeps disconnecting. Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem and get back to your gaming adventures hassle free. Firstly, let's check the basics. Ensure that your controller is fully charged. Connect it to your PC using a USB cable and let it charge for a while. Sometimes, a low battery can cause connectivity issues, so it's always good to start with a full charge. Next, let's update the controller's firmware. Head over to the official PlayStation website and search for the latest firmware update for the DualSense controller. Download it onto your PC and follow the instructions to install it. This update often includes bug fixes and improvements that can resolve connectivity problems. If updating the firmware didn't solve the issue, let's move on to troubleshooting the Bluetooth connection. Open the Windows settings and navigate to the Bluetooth and other devices section. Locate your DualSense controller in the list of paired devices and click on it. Select the Remove Device option and confirm the removal. Now, press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button on your controller simultaneously until the light bar starts flashing. This puts the controller into pairing mode. Go back to the Bluetooth settings on your PC and click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select the Bluetooth option and wait for your controller to appear in the list. Click on it to pair it with your PC. If you're still experiencing disconnection issues, it's time to check for any conflicting software. Some applications or programs can interfere with the controller's connection. Temporarily disable any third-party software that might be running in the background, especially those related to gaming or controller management. Restart your PC and try connecting your DualSense controller again. Lastly, if none of the previous steps worked, it's worth trying a different USB cable or USB port. Faulty cables or ports can cause intermittent disconnections. Swap out the cable or connect the controller to a different USB port on your PC to see if that resolves the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the DualSense controller disconnecting issue on your PC. Remember to keep your controller charged, update the firmware, troubleshoot the Bluetooth connection, check for conflicting software, and try different USB cables or ports. Now, go ahead and enjoy.